Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing the latest Cognizant Genc interview experience for 2024 batch student. This interview happened yesterday only, that is on 19th June 2024. So guys, make sure that you are watching this video till the end so that you can get to know the different type of questions which are getting asked in this particular interview. Okay, and guys, if you will check out my channel, I'm continuously posting videos regarding the hirings for 2024 batch students. Recently, I have covered a lot of interview experiences and important interview subjects for TCS. Okay, now I will be covering the interview experiences for Cognizant as well. So make sure that you are present on this channel, and for that do hit that subscribe button because every video that I will be posting on this channel will be going to you. Okay, and guys, before moving ahead, do hit that like button because every like on this video will motivate me to make more such videos. Okay, so guys, now let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit that like button. Okay, so guys, the first question in this interview was about project. So guys, I have told you in many videos, whether it is any company, Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, and any other company, the project will play a very important role as in your interview, because using the project only the interviewer will get to know that okay, you know this tech, you have a real life experience in building a project. It will be a good impression on the interviewer. Try to make at least 2 technical projects in your resume. Okay, and how you have to explain your project in the interview, I have made a dedicated video on it. I will give the link in the I button or in the description box, so make sure to visit it. Okay, moving to the next question is, what was the motive behind choosing that project? So why you made that project, what is the future scope of that project? Okay, so this type of things you can explain, how you brought the idea. So all these things you can explain in this particular question. Okay, just 1 second. Yeah, moving to the next question are, what are the obstacles or challenges that you faced when you were doing your project? So again, when you were doing the project, then there might be some challenges. Okay, so it is not possible that you do entire project in one go. There might be some obstacles or challenges that think uh, forced you to think something out of the box. So all these challenges you can tell to the interviewer and how you resolve them. This is also is required to the interviewer. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. Moving to the next question is, what are built-in data types in Python? So again, list, dictionary, set, and tuple. These are 4 built-in data types in Python. Next question is, what is the difference between .py file and .pyc file? So .py file contains the source code written by the programmer. This is the human readable form of Python program. So the code that we read is stored in the .py file. Okay. Now the .pyc file contains the compiled bytecode of the corresponding .py file. Bytecode is a lower level code that helps the computer understand that what you have written. So .py file is the normal code that we write as a programmer, and .pyc code is the bytecode, that is the Python code is converted to bytecode and then it is executed on the machine. So I hope this question is also clear to you. And if you're finding this video useful till here, do hit that like button because every like and subscribe button will motivate us to make more such videos. Okay. Moving to the next question, what is dictionary? So dictionary is nothing but a key value pair of for storing the data. So this is the name of the dictionary. This is the key. This is the pair. Name is Alice. Age is 30. City is New York. So this is what a dictionary is in simple terms. Next question is, what is Python heap space? So Python heap space is nothing but the heap space is a memory area where objects are dynamically allocated at runtime. Okay, so if we use new keyword in Java, so similarly we can allocate the memory to an object at runtime also. So this is where a heap space comes into picture. It is a memory area where objects are dynamically allocated, that is at runtime they are allocated the memory. Okay, I hope this is also clear to you. Next is, what is namespace in Python? So in Python, a namespace is a container that holds a set of identifiers, whether it is variable names, function names, class names, etc., and maps them to corresponding objects. Okay, so this is what a namespace is. So moving to the next question, what is SQL normalization and what are the types of normalization? So why we do normalization? So normalization is a way of removing the redundancy from the data. It is a way of breaking up large table into small set of table. It will help in increasing the uniqueness. It will help in removing the redundancy. It will help in increasing the efficiency of the queries. Okay, so we don't have to store entire data in a single table. We can just break them with relationships, and this is what a normalization is. What are different types of normalization? There is 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and BCNF. So again, these definitions you can always read on the Google itself. Okay. So I hope this question is also clear to you. Next is what is the flow of Python program, and explain using the example. So you can write a basic program in Python and you can explain the flow of that. Okay, that how everything is working. First of all, you will writing the code, then interpreter will work, then compiler will work, then the bytecode will be executed. All these things you can explain. Okay, or simple program input output, and what is the processing of that program, you can explain that also. Okay, so if you have like missed to hit that like button, do hit it now if you're finding this video useful. Okay, moving to the next question. What is interpreter in Python? So in Python, an interpreter is a program that executes Python code line by line. So the code that is executed in Python, it is executed line by line. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. Next is next are some HR questions. So tell about family background. Who is the happiest person when you will get this job? Okay. Next question is, who will be the happiest person if you don't get this job? So like, yeah, these type of questions can be asked from you. These like not serious questions, but just for time pass. Okay. Next is, what do you do if you don't get this job? So in this particular answer, you will have to tell them a positive response. That okay, if I don't get this job, I will keep on working hard and I will try some other. I, I will crack some other job. Okay, so like this, you can answer these type of questions in a positive manner. Next is any location, any shift, or any domain that you prioritize to work in the company. So here you can say yes also. Okay, that I want to work in a machine learning domain, I want to work in a Java domain. So all these things you can tell to the interviewer based on your preference. And in case of location and shift, I would suggest you that you should say that you are open to all these shifts and locations. Okay, in the end it will be decided by your project only that which shift will be given to you. Next is, suppose location is Shillong, what will you do? So yes, you will work there. Simple question, simple answer, yes, that you will work there. Okay. Next is any question to the interviewer. So again, it's a very important question. You can ask 2 to 3 questions from the interviewer. It will give them a good idea that yes, you are interested in this company and you are not just for the sake of getting a job. You are giving the interview. You can ask them what will be your role in the organization, what this company expects from me, what are the areas that we can explore in the company. So all these type of questions you can ask to the interviewer. Okay, moving to the next question, that is the last question of this interview, is one logical question, that is one puzzle question. Three ropes aligned parallelly, we have to exchange the first and third rope without touching the second rope. Okay, so this is the simple question that you can answer. So these are some puzzle questions also that are asked in Gen C interview. Okay, so these were all the questions that I have discussed were asked in the Gen Z role for Cognizant on 19th of June. If you found this video useful, do hit that like and subscribe button, and do share this video among your friends also, so that you can get to know different types, so that they can also get to know the different types of questions that are getting asked. Okay, and if you want any other type of videos also, you can always write in the comment section. We will be happy to make them. Thank you for watching this video.